Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to make your own Sindoor powder at home. Sindoor, which is available in market, is loaded with lot of harsh chemicals that may damage our skin, and it causes many skin allergies, rashes and many other skin problems. So let's prepare our own Sindoor powder. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. To prepare this, we need turmeric powder. Make sure to use 100% natural turmeric powder. Next ingredient you need is baking soda. It's also called eating soda. And finally you need a lemon. Now let's move on to the process. Take any mixing bowl or any mixing plate, and to this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Depends on how much quantity you want to make the Sindoor powder. So to this I'm going to add baking soda. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. If you are using big spoon then add 1 spoon of baking soda. Now mix both the powdered ingredients very well. Finally, I am going to add a half a slice of lemon juice. If you use a small size of lemon, then add 1 full lemon. Now the baking soda which is mixed with this lemon, so you can see that foam like consistency. Now mix it everything really well. Here I am using my hands to mix it without any lumps. So within 5 to 10 minutes the color of our Sindoor turns like this. So I'm just spreading on this plate and let it air dry for 2 to 3 hours, and you can store this Sindoor for at least 5 to 6 months. So let's see how our Sindoor works. So this is how our Sindoor works. Hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, see you, bye.